3D printing technology first appeared in the 80s but was far too expensive for the general market. Now in the 21st century, costs of 3D printers have dropped drastically and are now a popular household appliance. Although this extraordinary technology is changing the world and saving lives, at the same time it is a dangerous new phenomenon that is well and truly taking lives.
You roll? Alright. This is the first gun we've printed using a 3D printer. And we're going to test it right now. She works.
The first 3D printer came around in 1986 by Charles Chuck Hull, after his invention of stereolithography in 1983. This was a huge leap in technology, but at this time there was no such thing as rapid prototyping. To create a concept model, it would have taken months and thousands of dollars. Now, in 2035, 90% of people in developed countries have a 3D printer in their home. But these printers are much more advanced than the ones we used to see in 1986. Modern-day 3D printing technology allows the user to design and print anything they want. This is done by either downloading ready-made designs off the internet or using computer-aided design, otherwise known as CAD, to create their own designs. When the person has designed what they want, they simply press print and the process begins. We are now seeing a huge number of people printing fully functional guns. Yes, the whole gun can be printed using a 3D printer and is instantly able to be fired. This has led to illegal use and distribution of dangerous guns. Many home videos have been uploaded to the internet displaying children as young as 4 shooting or fully automatic guns which they have printed themselves by simply downloading files from various websites and pressing print. There are no tough laws at this stage, so the situation has blown far out of control that people don't care about the law anymore. They just want to print and fire their own weaponry whenever they please.
Yeah.
Woo!
Wow, Trent!
Good job. That's pretty cool, huh?
Woo!
We're here in Atlanta, USA, to interview Howard Willikers, an avid supporter of his new phenomenon who has started his own homemade 3D printed arsenal. Howard lives on a farm with his wife and 12 kids. He is a proud gun fanatic who loves printing his own guns.
I could print 2,222,222 if I wanted to. Alright, there's no limit on how many guns I can print.
So why do you love printing so many guns?
I just like them. I like the look of them, I like the feel of them, and I like the smell of them. And I love shooting things up.
You don't feel this is a dangerous prospect? Being able to print a gun whenever you like and shoot it?
No. I don't think it's a dangerous thing at all, alright? People like guns and they like shooting stuff. This makes it a hell of a lot easier to do that. And if a country comes and invades America, how do you think we're going to protect ourselves? It's with this, okay? And that's how we're going to do it. This is the first gun we've printed using a 3D printer. Get the M911 today.
Never can go shoot things up, you know?
Okay, it's nearly done. Alright. Yep. It worked again. Here it is. Just joking. Let's go shooting cans and stuff, like shooting the pigeons. Yeah. Oh! Oh! Ah! 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 I just shot myself in the foot. Ah! Ah!
We also interviewed Samantha Smith, head statistician for the Federal Government of Australia. She is deeply troubled by the prospect.
Here I have a chart expressing the number of mass shootings in Australia over the past 4 decades. In 2000 to 2009, there were 3. In 2010 to 2019, there were 4. In 2020 to 2029, there were 3. In 2030 to 2039, there have already been 40 mass shootings, yet the number is still rising. You are very concerned about this issue. Yes, I'm very concerned about this issue. Nearly every household has a 3D printer now, and they can print whatever they want. Most of the time it's good, but many people are now printing guns and using them to kill people.
So this explains why the mass shootings have increased so much in Australia.
Yes, that's right. We are seeing home videos of kids as young as 4 using AR-15 rifles. These are highly versatile, fully automatic weapons that are completely inappropriate for home use. There have also been many cases of children accidentally shooting their siblings and killing them, and cases of children bringing guns to school to murder kids they hate. This must be stopped.
Although the printing of guns and weaponry is a huge disadvantage of this amazing technology, there are also many advantages. 3D printing has a huge impact in medicine and health. 20 years ago, we were beginning to print organs such as kidneys and other body parts such as noses and ears. Now we are able to print large organs such as lungs, stomachs, livers and hearts, as well as other body parts such as hands, feet or even whole arms and legs. 3D printing has revolutionized manufacturing. This technology provides many advantages to many different companies. Using 3D printing allows these companies to create many different complex shapes and structures, utilize a large range of different materials, produce less waste, save large amounts of money, and complete tasks much quicker than using old traditional methods. Essentially, 3D printing is a great thing that we have in our world today. There are many benefits that arise from it, but also many negatives and potential dangers occur when it is used in the wrong way. Some ways to prevent these potential dangers is making people have licenses to be able to print weaponry and other illegal objects, and setting in place stricter laws if misuse or unlicensed users use this printing. This would enable us to fully use the abilities of the printers while not harming anyone. We could also block blueprints to certain dangerous objects, providing that approved workplaces can utilise them without limitations when needed. To obtain a license, age limits and certain record obligations could also be put in place.